Hi, and welcome to another video. I am Peter. I build custom scale model cars, trucks and RC stuff for customers or for myself. In this video I'm going to transform this Ashima 120 scale Daihatsu Cuore to something special. It's just a little fun project in between the other projects. I had this scale model kit laying around for about 2 years and I thought maybe we can do something special with it. I decided not to paint the body because it was already looking quite nice. In the kit came some fender flares, so I put them on the car. The inspiration for this build came from the Osaka JDM Kanjo races and the old Starlet from back in the 70s. It was a very easy kit to build. But the kit was missing some parts, like the wheels, so I found some of a toy car I had laying around. I put on some more black details and made the JDM inspired front wiper. The rear windows were also missing, so I made some new ones from scratch and made them pop out. And when you're new at my channel, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And watch my whole video please, you help me a lot. So a quick test fit with the new wheels after I painted them. Yeah, this is exactly the look I wanted. Now it was time to make a rear spoiler. Yes, this is exactly how I had it in mind. And after the rear spoiler was finished, I made a new front lip. The kit was also missing its rear bumper, so I made a new one from scratch. And I made a display to put the car on. And with this, the project is already finished. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, put on your notifications bell, and I hope I see you the next time. Bye bye.